Good day everyone. Good day ma'am. My name is Micaela Liza Gitasani. Today, register form collects that username details, full names, username, passwords, and email address, contact numbers, and that saves them into that MySQL's database through PHP. Passwords are stored securely using hashing. Maglagay tayo ng pangalan, which is means pangalan ko, username, then password, email, then registration is successful, and then the login form allows user to enter the username and passwords with a show passwords option for completion. Username, then password, show password, login. You are the successful login. Okay, and then let's try that password is incorrect. Incorrect username or passwords. When the credentials are correct, our systems displays you are successful login. And when the credentials are incorrect, systems displays our incorrect username or passwords. Overall, systems works by connecting HTML forms to PHP script, which is that interact with the MySQL database. XAMPP, which is this login systems validate that is store user informations. And thank you mom, that's it.